cable. Second cable. The first cable is I didn't record. I kept talking and talking, but after all, it's not recording. So now I have chance to record. See, we are now inside the cable 2 to power station, and we walk. See the power there inside. See the view. Oh, see, nice. See,
Hi.
see guys.
See, look at behind.
See?
We are here in the cable car.
There.
Cable car.
Sir?
Yes.
Oh, see, you can see the cable from the other side. That one is going to go back or going to Sentosa. So we are going to
Fly.
to to Mount Faber. Hello.
Mount Faber.
Hi. The hair is nice view. We got also that side. You see that side, but I cannot see. Better I stand. See, can see here. Can see. You see. This is the. We go back this side, friend. Remember? See?
Yeah. We came here just now. Before
Yes.
we began
Okay. Okay. See. No. There. The cave. The cave, friend. See the cave. Oh, we still have to see the. Wow, friend. If we go to that water.
You wanna swim?
Yes. No. No. The one that swim. We don't go there. We forgot to go that side. My God. So nice.
want to swim?
See?
We're
Okay.
here in the river.
Yes, they're in the river.
Yeah,
Going to Faber. So we
This is not river, this is a sea, right?
Oh yes. Sea ride, huh? Sea ride is river still. Yes. Crazy. Okay. You're crazy. Okay, guys.
Wow.
Look at the place. See? Oh, so many sheep down there. See? Okay. Oh, so
Hey, look at the cable car behind
yes,
me, right?
be nice. So nice. But we don't go that side. Where is this side?
You just go down and swim.
We go to the outside, friend. You see? So this one we didn't. This is Sentosa. Sentosa po. This is the one. Okay. Yeah. Talking much. See the sea. See many sheep. See.
I want to talk already, you can hear her, okay?
Okay. Back to me. Yeah. See, back to me. Okay. Again. See, look at that side.
Is this one the pool?
Yes, the Sentosa. So we go that side. After Mount Faber, we go that side. I don't know where we go down. Maybe got down. Yes, that side. Below. So we go to Mount Faber, then we walk around there and come back here around 5 o'clock. Enjoy life. Feeling rich. Like, the rich kids. Oh, we are poor, but we feel rich. Okay. Binidyohan! Nagbibidyohan tayo, friend. Say, tingnan mo.
Don't go crazy.
See. We are only two here. Nothing. So we can talk we can do what we can. We can laugh
Sorry.
as loudly
We
as
are
we
out
can.
in our cage. That's why.
Now I can talk so much here. Nobody around, is only me and my friend. So just nice.
Look at the cable. Look at that.
Say hi.
It's an empty.
Where is the people around there? Okay.
Why all empty?
We almost reached. This side is a bit far than the first one. Lucky. So lucky I didn't take video on the first one because it's so short also. So never mind. I have video here. See. Hello. Hi, empty.
No, that's the one that side. I know
The
that is
Mount Faber. This side is.
the cave. There's a Sentosa cave. The one a lot of
Oh.
the boats, the ship.
Oh yes.
I
So
think this is the